This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox on Quest 2. First, enable developer mode on your Quest 2 via the Meta Quest phone application. Then, download and install Side Quest onto your computer, as this tool is essential for sideloading applications. Ensure your Quest 2 is fully charged and ready for connection to your computer. This process opens up a world of new experiences on your virtual reality headset. Before you begin, make sure your Quest 2 is set up for developer mode. You activate this setting through the Meta Quest mobile application under the headset settings. Next, download the Side Quest desktop application. It acts as your gateway for installing unofficial content. Remember to also have a reliable USB cable ready to connect your headset to your computer. These preparations are crucial for a smooth installation. With your Quest 2 connected to your computer, Side Quest should recognize it. On your headset, approve the Allow USB Debugging prompt, which is vital for the installation. Now, find a reputable source online to download the Roblox APK file to your computer. In Side Quest, locate the Install button and simply select the downloaded Roblox file. The installation process will then begin automatically. Once the installation is complete, you can safely disconnect your Quest 2 from your computer. Put on your headset and navigate to your application library. You will find Roblox listed under the Unknown Sources category. Select it to launch the game, log in with your Roblox account, and then begin playing. This method allows you to experience Roblox in a unique, immersive way on your virtual reality device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.